Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to teleport in Kingshot. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you want to go ahead and put your kingdom into a different location, maybe somewhere closer to some loot or reward place. But I don't know, it depends on you. All you have to do is just go ahead and choose your specific place. Maybe over here near this cute little Link's doggy press thing. So just go ahead and press on a specific square land thing that of course isn't occupied by another person. So go ahead there. Of course, you can only do it inside your region. Once you've chosen your location, I'm going to go right behind this links. All you have to do is press on teleport. There are materials or the little teleport item you can get in order to teleport for free, but you can always use the diamond option that costs 4,000 diamonds in order to teleport your kingdom to your preferred location. Anyways, if you want to go ahead and do so, just go ahead and press on the teleport button and it will consume your diamonds, or depending on what you currently have and what you want to choose. And that's it. So that's basically how you can teleport in Kingshot. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.